Alright, y'all, I know it's been a while, but here we go. Today we're gonna make a little flaming skull for the yard. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so basically we're gonna mark the outside of this thing. Now we're gonna let our heating rod warm up, and we're gonna start cutting this thing out. Now we're just gonna check and make sure this bad boy fits in there. And basically cut the eyes and the nose out the same way, and just put a piece of cloth behind them to dim it down a little bit. Well, I ended up losing some footage, so basically I took the whole lantern and cut the top of it in half. Put the lantern piece through the skull, hot glued everything down, put the bottom half on the bottom, stake it in the ground, and voila, there you go. Let me know what y'all think. See you on the next one.